this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to do a quick project share for these hot cookies that released this month, and I made some new projects with these dies. So let me show you. So I made these ones and a card. So this is this pattern. So it looks like this. And then I also made this one. So it's like this. And then I also made a tag. So personally, I love this the best. Yeah. And so when you open it, it has to have the happiest holiday. And here that I use this tangerines here, which that we also sell in the store. So very cute. And then I also made a card. So this is a mini slimline card, and I have the word bake the word a better place here. And then I layer these two hearts together. And then for these little cutouts, I just spread it around the hearts, and I think that's quite fun. So hope you like the ones, and I will show you quickly of the things that I used. So for this sentiment, I used this one. So it comes with also a cutting die for making the baking tags, and also I use this one. Sorry. So this one have many different holiday greetings, and they are in a flourish font, and this font is so great. Yeah, I love this font. So these are the stamps that I use, and I will link them in the description box below. So if you like it, just let me know. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.